If you say, if you take it literally, there's nothing, it's all shunya, you say, then you only mean that there is no Brahman. Is it clear? See, again and again discuss amongst yourselves. Discuss this thing. Otherwise, it won't say you will forget next year. You should become firm. Huh?
Shall I bring the clock?
No, Paramananda. Is it clear? Therefore, now understand what is Adhyaropa? Adhyaropa means, always remember this example. I call gold as bangle. When I call gold as bangle, what is it I have done? I have treated as though the shade there is different from gold. And looking at the shade, I call it as black, bangle. Looking at this stuff, I call it as though the shade is also gold. How can I see different from it? My attention. If your attention is on the shade, then it is bangle. If your attention is on the gold, then it is gold. Even the shape. That is, you can have two awarenesses. You are aware of the bangle or you are aware of the gold. There are two choices here. The object is the same. So if your attention is on the bangle, then what they cost, etc., oh, it is broken, you are crying, everything is there. You say it is God, there is nothing. Therefore, similarly here, Brahman Samarthyam is like the shape of the gold, is like the shape of bangle. Samarthyam is also Brahman only. But looking at the Samarthyam as if it is different, my attention is on that, then it is called Prakriti, Avyakti. When you look at this stuff, it is Brahman. Therefore, I separate the Samarthyam of Brahman from Brahman. That is called Adhyaropa. Jagat is not Adhyaropa and Brahman. The difference, as if treating the shapes and the different, then I can do Adhyaropa. Is it clear? So, what I have done is, the Samarthyam, treating it as different from Brahman, I have made this separate. And then call this a Upadhi Brahman. Give it a name, Bang. Similarly, what is the name I give here? I call it Ishvara. In other words, I separate, I view, not separate. I imagine that Samarthyam is different from Brahman and make that as Upadhi to Brahman. Then Brahman plus this Upadhi with this Upadhi is called Ishvara. Brahman plus this Upadhi is Ishvara. That's what you say, this Ishvara, this Upadhi for Ishvara, Ishvara is Upadhi. Ishvara is Shakti. Yeah. Now we say, Ishvara creates it. See, actually, what you asked now, clearly in the same content, it has been described in Brahma Sutras. the person is raising an objection. What you say? Brahman is Nirguna, Nirakara, Navara. Also you say. You are also telling that this Jagat is there, it's all everything running, and all that. You are telling this, showing the same thing, and telling opposite things. How can you reconcile? In the actual way. Then he says, he takes something like that. Now, look at the advantage. The advantage is, object is the same. If you want to talk of Vyavahara, I will call it as bangle, bangle, bangle. If you want me to talk about Swarupa, I will call it as gold, gold, gold. Now what is my desire? My desire is to divert your attention from bangle to gold. That's my desire. And bangle and gold are not different. Only your attention is at a different place. I want to change your attention. Therefore, similarly here, I have called as Ishvara. You talk of creation, how take place? I know Ishvara. He's doing it, doing this. And what about this Nirguna? No creator at all. See, Ishvara, look at Brahman, look at himself. That is, if you look at it from the point of gold, there is no transaction. If you look at it bangle, there is transaction. Similarly, if you view it as Ishvara, you have a Srishti Sthiti. If you talk as Brahman, there is nothing. At once, both are. Now notice here. What is Shastra accepting? Both are there. But my attention is on the action, is on the form, is on the curves and all. But there is Brahman also. My attention is not there. Therefore, in order to turn my attention from the Vyavahara to the Swarupa, Shastra does all this. Is this clear? Can you put it briefly? This Adhyaropa, Vada, this thing. Put it briefly. Several examples are there. Bangle, speech, sunlight, all these things are there. Just think of them. Our attention is on something. On what our attention is, that is not different from one, that is Brahman only. But Shastra wants my attention to be turned from the appearance to the Swarupa.
So it is a method adopted by the Shastras only.
In order to teach you. There is only Brahman. Jagat, all these things are only shapes. Okay. All these shapes are also Brahman. They are not different from Brahman. When I speak, is what I say different from what I have in my head? Not so. Only take. No. Suppose you say, board. Board is sound. These are stuff. Is what I am doing away? This I call it by name. the sound, bird, bird, bird. No. When I say bird, you are not able to get this. You should not bring the ears and singing. Clear? Therefore, this is all this is a name. Through this name, I want to show Brahman, which is not different from the name. The object is not different from the name. In fact, in order to convert it, a name is there. Suppose name is different, that is different. When they tell God, you don't understand it. Therefore, name and the object are not different from each other. Will you that? Name has no stuff if you take it independently. But if you put this stuff there, then it exists. Suppose by board, we mean only the sound. Then it is not this. That is different. But when you mean bird, suppose I mean this bird, then this is also there, that is also there. Huh? Can you try once again? See Adhyaropa Father.
In order to teach the Swarupa, the Shastras adopt a method called Adhyaropa.
What is it? Tell me. Correct what your statement said.
They adopt a technique, not a method.
Exactly. Very good.
Method.
Yes, correct.
And
what exactly is technique?
Telling a difference, but there is no
Huh?
difference. Telling a difference, but there is no difference.
you cannot express it. I understand
I
that.
understood. I will speak it. In fact, you must be able to express one then if you want it. See, it wants to convey Brahman. Okay. It can be done because Brahman is, it can't be understood at all. It can't be communicated. But its expressions, when it's a samatya, not even samatya, its expressions. The word is there. Through the word, I can understand. Okay? Through the bangle, I can understand word. The bangle are different from word. Can you understand by understanding bangle? Can you get the word? Example? No. When you understand word, you reject the bangle and understand. That's what happened. Whether it is bangle or the ring or necklace or whatever it is, when you understand, it's only gold. Therefore, in order to understand gold, these shapes are essential. And when you have already understood, then it is meaningless.
Swamiji, can we say that the Shastras try to teach Tattva through Atattva?
Exactly. That's correct. Remember, Atattva does not mean Ram.
Yes.
Atattva does not mean Ram. It is not depending on itself. That is Atattva. Is it clear? What is the evidence of? There will be fish inside water. Okay. Now, when a fly, something like that, is sitting on the grass thing, sitting there, actually the light comes like this and bends. The fish there It is there, it knows. If I want to attack and take the fly, if I do it like this, I won't get it. It knows it is like that. What it does is, it was spitting in the same direction. It spits in a different angle. So that it will go and hit like that. Why I am giving this example? Atattva is not wrong knowledge. Atattva is right knowledge. But the knowledge depends on something else, not in itself. Therefore, you are very, very, very correct that it wants to teach Brahman. It did not teach Brahman's tattva. It teaches through its atattva. Very correct. Have all of you heard? No?
Yes.
All this is atattva. When you say atattva, don't think it is not there. No, is there also. But mixed up is something else. Therefore it is atattva. Just as this clay is mixed with water and appears bad. Therefore, just because there are forms and all that, if you say it's not Brahman and all that, it's extraordinarily foolish. You know, in Brahmasatra, how they claim? Shankaracharya says, there is Devadatta, his name. I saw him in winter in Bharathi. He is sitting like this. I saw him in summer. He is like this. Both are Devadatta. Devadatta has not changed. Okay. Now, if it is doing like this, it is Sattva. If it is like this, it is not Sattva. Anybody will say? Ahikundalat. There is a sutra. Ahikundalat. See, then it is not so. If it is doing like this only, then it is Sattva. These are the examples here. In spite of it, people go on telling it wrongly. What is it? This is Brahman only. It is appearing like this. We are not telling Brahman to understand it like this. Brahman is green here, it is yellow here. Don't understand that. That's not the thing. But even though it is green and yellow, it is something. It is not Brahman. It is Brahman. Is it become clear? Therefore, briefly put it is this. Somebody very succinctly. Remember what? When it does Adhyaropa, what exactly it is doing is the following. Through Atattva, it is teaching the Tattva of Brahman. And take caution. Atattva is not a lie. Atattva is not cheating. Atattva is also there. And what is this one? It is in relation to something else. That is the thing. Now, suppose in relation to a woman, he becomes a husband. So let's say he is not a husband. He is not a man. And man himself also becomes a husband. Husband is atattva. Man is tattva. Have you understood? Similarly, Brahman in the shape is Jagat. Without the shape is Brahman.
Namavi Bhagavad Shankaram Yoga भाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।